It's time to put a Holmes motor in our Vanquish VSCX10 too. How's it going, guys? Colin here from Trax RC, and today we will be installing this Holmes CrawlMaster Sport 540 16-turn motor into our Vanquish VSCX10 project build. Now, we did have an upgrade series going for this Vanquish VSCX10 as we call it, but we kind of finished that about a month ago, maybe a month and a half. And this is just an upgrade that we felt like we needed to have that we did not get in that upgrade series. So this video is not part of that upgrade series. It's just showing you guys the Holmes motor in the Vanquish VSCX10 Now, a new motor is probably an upgrade that we should have gotten a while ago during the upgrade series, but it's a well overdue upgrade, and we thought we should just get it right now. The stock motor in here, it works just fine. It's a great ready-to-run motor. We've never had any issues with it. This is just going to give us such a smoother startup, and it's just going to be so much better. We're going to have so much control at slower speeds as well, and that's why we're upgrading. So let's open this motor up and check it out. And included in the package, you do get the Holmes motor, and guys, this thing is super smooth. You do have to solder your own tabs on, and we'll show you guys what we're going to do for that later on. And then you also do get 2 Holmes Hobby stickers to put on your body to let everyone know that you're running Holmes Hobbies in your rig. So let's talk about some of the features of this motor. This motor is a 5-slot motor as opposed to a traditional 3-slot motor. We do have a ball bearing on the output shaft, and then this is an 1/8" output shaft. And our particular motor is the 16-turn version. They also have a 13-turn and a 20-turn version. The 16-turn version equates to about 1500 kV, while the 13-turn equates to about 1800 kV, and the 20-turn equates to about 1200 kV. So this is about in the middle. We didn't really want the high speeds that I shouldn't say high speeds, but the higher speeds that the 13-turn motor gives you. We wanted something in between that will give us just enough torque that we need. So with all those features, this motor is still only $15 on A-Main Hobbies. We'll put a link in the description below, and that is just a very budget-friendly price for this motor, and it's so much better than the stock motor. You're going to end up paying around $15 for the stock motor, so when you're building a kit, just go with one of these motors, guys. They are so much better. And we have this motor in almost all of our other crawlers. We have it in the Capra and also the Gen 8. The TRX4 Sport is the only one that doesn't have this motor, and we just absolutely love it. As far as the installation of this motor, we will not be soldering the ESC wires directly to the tabs. Instead, we will be soldering bullet connectors onto it. So we picked up these E-Flight male bullet connectors off of A-Main Hobbies. I think they're like $3, so they're not expensive at all. We have the soldering iron heating up over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to solder these bullet connectors to the tabs on the motor. So we soldered the bullet connectors onto the motor, and it's pretty solid. We went ahead and shrunk the shrink wrap, and now this motor is ready to go in the car. And one thing we want to mention is that we did use a new soldering iron that we got. It's so much better than the old one that we had, and we got it off of Amazon. We'll link that in the description below. It allowed us to just clean up our soldering jobs so much better than what we had before. So let's go ahead and take the old motor out of the car. Alright guys, and while we were taking the bullet connectors off the old motor, we ripped out one of them. So we're going to have to solder this back on if we want to use this motor again. But for now, let's get back to taking this apart. We have the old motor removed, and now it's time to throw the new Holmes motor back in. Alright guys, so the Holmes CrawlMaster motor is installed into our VSCX10 too. We're going to plug in a battery and see if it works. Alright, so we do have to reverse the throttle, so that's as easy as going to settings, going down to reverse, going to throttle, and then clicking yes. There we go. Now it's fixed. And guys, just playing around with this on the desk, you can see how much low speed control this motor gives us. That's like as slow as you can possibly go. Alright, now we're going to check the wheel speed. And that is on 3S, so that's pretty fast. Alright guys, so the installation for this motor went really smoothly. We really like the low speed control that we're gaining from this motor and just all the performance benefits that it has to offer for only $15. Guys, we would totally recommend picking one of these motors up for yourself. Again, you'll find a link in the description below. Also in the description, you'll find a link to our website. Click that link, head over to our website and check it out. And if you have any feedback for us, comment down below in any of our videos because we could really use the help. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.